Hey happy homemakers, welcome back. Today's video is gonna have a little bit of everything. I have some cleaning to do, and I'm also trying to organize and declutter everything in my dresser, so I will be going through some clothes today and purging what I can. Then later we plan to go to the Portland Children's Museum with my mom and sister, and of course I'm going to be revealing our deck makeover today. I collaborated with Article on this video, and they let me pick some beautiful furniture from their website, and I cannot wait to share it with you. If you are new here, hello, my name is Justine, and I would love to have you as a subscriber, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and join my YouTube family. If you are not new, I am so happy you're back. In my last video, you guys said that you really loved this day in the life / cleaning video format, so I'm doing it again today. And also in my last video, I asked you guys where you were from. So in this video, I want to know, what are your guys' favorite must-have cleaning products? Let me know in a comment down below, because I'm always looking for new cleaning products to try. And also, please take a moment to give this video a like. I know that sometimes we just forget to do it, so if you could just take a second and hit that thumbs up button, it would really help my channel out, and I would appreciate it so much. I hope this video gives you a lot of cleaning and organizing motivation and also some decorating inspiration. So let's get into it. So I feel like now that you guys are seeing my face for the first time, I need to say hello, because I'm fighting in the background, always. Okay, so I just broke up. I thought I broke up a little fight. Marcus and Chloe, don't push each other. Okay, it's nap time. It is now the moment I have been waiting for a long time, it feels like, and that is to reveal our patio makeover. I think the last time I showed you guys our backyard, we had just painted the deck and the furniture was being delivered, and now it's like all put together, and I'm so excited to show you the transformation. So this is our back porch now. I cannot believe it is the same porch. It looks so amazing, and I'm just so in love with how it turned out. It took a lot of work, but it was so worth it. We added some twinkle lights up at the top, which I really love, and then some plants to brighten up the space, and then all of the furniture you see here was sent to me by Article for this video, and I love it. It's originally designed by them, and I just love the modern look of it, but it's also kind of boho, I think. So first is this coffee table, which I really love how it looks like indoor furniture but outside, so it really feels like you're extending your home, and it's just been a really great place to entertain. We've been having people over a lot lately, and this space has been so nice. Our house doesn't feel as cramped. Everyone can just come outside and be comfortable. This is the Toba coffee table in the dark brown color. It's really mid-century modern looking, and I just love that style, and it's such amazing quality. I also like how minimal it is. It just looks so nice in this space, and it's really nice to have a coffee table out here when you're eating or something. These two seats I absolutely love. They're so comfy because you can just curl up with a blanket, and just Daniel and I lounge out here all the time, and I love these two chairs. These are the airy lounge chairs, and I think they go really well with the rest of the furniture. And the last thing is the sofa. This is the Herba sofa in slate gray, and it's really nice and wide. We fit 3 people very comfortably, but 4 can squeeze there. So it's a really nice size, and I can't tell you how good the quality is of each piece. Like, I can just tell that it's going to last a really long time. It is so well made, and I just really love how there's so much detail, and they just pulled in a lot of different textures, and it just looks so nice. I love this wood, by the way. And something I really love about all their pieces is that they're not always matchy-matchy, but they always go together so well. I don't think I have to tell you guys that I am extremely happy with this outdoor space. I think it's my favorite room of our home now, and I just love spending time out here. The quality is just amazing for the price, and I also like the fact that they ship it to you, and it's only $49 shipping no matter how large your order is, which is really great, especially for furniture. That's amazing. I will have a list of all the furniture items and their website linked down below, so make sure you go and check it out because they have a lot more pieces that it was really hard to make up my mind because everything was so gorgeous. I also love the fact that the French doors in my bedroom open up right out to that space, and I just love seeing it through the window. But when it gets a little warmer, I'm looking forward to just grabbing my Bible and going out there first thing in the morning. It's just so inviting and peaceful. I cannot wait to do that. Anyways, I have a lot of plans now that the kids just went down for a nap. The first thing, they were fighting so much that it was just time. I actually haven't even eaten this morning yet. If I don't eat at the same time as the kids, I usually skip breakfast, and I don't want to do that anymore. So it's 10:40 and I'm just gonna make myself a smoothie really quick. And I always end up making way too much. This is a whole, what is it, a quart canning jar? Oh my goodness. If Chloe was awake, she'd help me drink all of this. Okay, so I feel like I need to make my bed first so I have a nice clean place to put all my clothes and then go through and sort them. And I got very inspired to do this today because, well, A, I've just been going through everything like I said, but also I emptied my drawer out and just put a few items in, and I was blown away with how nice it looked. And previously, like a couple years ago, when I tried organizing this way and just like purging, just keeping the least amount of clothes that I could be happy with, I found that I not only could open my closet and just feel good in whatever I pulled out, but also I felt like I had more because I could see every single option and they were all stuff I felt great wearing. So that's why I'm doing that today, and I hope that it inspires you guys to go through your stuff as well. So once I finished making my bed, I found some clothes on the floor that needed to be folded and put away, so I just went through those as well. And then I completely emptied the first drawer that I was going to go through. I didn't know if I would get to all of them because I didn't have a ton of time. So rather than emptying my whole dresser, I just started with one drawer. And right around that time, my sister got here early with her two kids. Marcus and Chloe were still napping at this point. So we just all went into my room and folded clothes while we waited for my kids to wake up so we could go to the museum. So the first thing I did was put away those clothes that were laying out, and then I went through all the clothes from my dresser drawer. And my goal for the day was to just go through my shirts because, like I said, I don't have a ton of time to do this, so I can't quite do it Marie Kondo style where I go through the whole house, but I can do it little by little, and I am very, very motivated and inspired to go through everything right now. So the first thing I did was go through all my shirts and then neatly fold them and sort them into piles. And it was actually really fun to have the kids there helping me, and my sister and I were just talking the whole time. It really kept me company, and that's kind of what these videos are all about. It's about me doing the work with you guys, so I hope that it really makes you feel like you're doing this work with a friend. So I hope that doing housework with this video on helps you feel like you have a little bit of company. Yeah. So here are my piles of clothes now. Sorry it's a little loud, there's a lot going on in this room. This is the pile of long sleeve shirts that I'm going to keep out because they'll still look good with shorts. This I'm going to hang up. These are all the tank tops that I will still be wearing. These are all the t-shirts. This is something that I have one in my closet already, so I'm going to put that with these that are going in storage because they're all winter clothes. And then this is the pile that I'm getting rid of. We're giving to my sister. And this is baby Abraham. Look at his lips. Be careful. Hi, baby. After that, I stacked all the shirts in my drawer. I started out with 3 piles wide, and I really like the very neat and open look of 2 piles, so I pared down a little more even, just keeping the shirts that I really love to wear. And I'm so happy with how neat it looks, and I think that moving forward it's just going to be so much easier to pick out what to wear in the mornings. So we are now on a walk to the park. My sister came over. We were going to go to the Children's Museum, but that didn't work out. So now we are going to play here for a little bit before nap time. Well, this little girl already took a nap, but Marky wouldn't go to sleep. Do you want to go play? Yeah, okay. So Marky had to bring his doll and stroller, and he parked it over here and took the doll to the playground. So cute. Are you gonna play, Koki? This park is awesome because it's a toddler park. Hi guys. Can I buy something? Yeah. Okay, Chloe, can I buy some ice cream? Yeah. Okay. Can I buy some? Oh, thank you! Thank you, Coco! Here's your money! You're welcome. Do you have hot dogs? Can I have one? How much? $2? Alright, there you go. Thank you! Oh, hi, Avy! How much are your hot dogs? 5! Wow, you know what? You're too cute. Here's $5. Where's my hot dog? Thank you. Okay, bye! Can you say bye?
What? She camera shy?
Good job, Marky. You did it! Big boy. Oh, are you okay? So I'm now at Starbucks. Daniel came home a little bit early so that I could go and do some work on my laptop, which is really nice. I haven't been able to do this for a very long time. It just feels good. Even though it's to work, it's just such a nice break at the same time, and I really enjoy editing, so it's not too hard for me to do that. So I left him and Coco watching My Little Pony on the couch, and he also is making dinner tonight. I peeked like I wasn't supposed to and saw that he's gonna be making chicken shish kebabs on the barbecue, and I'm really excited to see how those turn out. He's only cooked like 3 times since we've been married. Every time he does, it's been good, but it does not happen often enough. Anyways, I'm really happy that he's gonna be doing that tonight. So I need to head in and then work quickly because I only have an hour and a half here, because right after dinner we are going to church tonight. So I hope an hour and a half is long enough to get a video edited, but we will see. Wow. So what is this exactly?
Barbecue chicken kebabs.
That sounds good. Where did you find your recipe?
I just dabbled, made it up.
You made it? No, you didn't. So dinner was delicious. We're just about to leave for church. And they're fighting again. Marky, honey, do not push Sisty. Marky, you guys, there's plenty of space in the window. No need to push. Chloe! Here, Coco, use this window right here. Look outside. It is, there's a thunder and lightning storm right now, so we had to cover everything out there. But, yes, we're leaving for church right now. So I thought I might as well end the vlog. Wow. Oh my goodness, it's hailing now. Anyways, there's a crazy thunderstorm going on right now. So if you liked this video, hi Koki, she's hiding in the... Anyways, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please remember to hit that red subscribe button and also make sure the notification bell is on. And I will be trying to upload more videos with this kind of format, because with my last one I got a lot of great comments saying you guys like seeing a little bit of everything as well as kind of our daily life. So anyways, I'm gonna go now because we need to leave, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.